Hi there. If you're selling on Amazon, this one is going to be short and sweet for you. So log in as a Prime member and check the delivery times for your products. If you're in a category where it's critical that your products are delivered before Christmas, this may impact your sales very much. So log in and check if the delivery times are already December 26, 27, or who knows what. Because this is the live example from one of the accounts that we manage where last year sales dropped significantly even on December the 19th and 20th because delivery times for FBA were that high. So immediately we saw a drop in sales and we had to drop the ad spend also to follow the drop in sales. So as you can see, drop in session is not that aggressive as the drop in sales. So meaning that if you still are spending on ads, you will still get ad spend pretty high, but your total ACoS is going to be increased. So check this for your products and it will save you a bunch of money. Check your last year data to know when is it exactly that you need to increase your ad budget again to meet the demand if somebody's buying for, let's say, the New Year's Eve. Let me know if you have any questions around this and see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.